In this video, you will learn about how to make the sketch by using Onshape. So here you will learn about the circle command, the arc commands and the line, and this portion can be deleted by using string command, and how to convert a line into construction line. So and how to apply the equal constraints. So all these things we will learn it. Let's move on to Onshape. Click on create, select the document, rename the document as sketching practice 2. Click on create. Select the front plane as your reference plane and click on sketch. To look perpendicular to the sketcher plane, press N on your keyboard. Now you can look perpendicular to the sketcher plane. Now let's start drawing our diagram. So to draw the outer portion, so select the circle command, click on the origin and draw a circle of given radius. The radius is given as 40. So let's give the diameter as 8. And then the inner C arc, the radius is given as 14. So let's try to draw the arc by using center point arc command. Click on the origin as center and click on the vertical reference line and again click on the vertical reference line. So now we had drawn the arc. The radius is 16, but the required radius is 14. So let's type 14. Now here we need to draw one horizontal line. Let's select the line command. Click on this point and draw a line anywhere just outside the circle. So to make sure it is horizontal, see the lines which is dashed lines formed inside the line. So it makes sure that you are drawing it on a horizontal direction. And also you can see a small horizontal line near the cursor that represents the horizontal constraint. So click, come out of the command, click on the line command again. So if you want to use the command only one time, and if you don't want to continue the line from the end point of the another line, you just click on the first point and don't leave your mouse button, just click and drag. So here, whenever I leave the mouse button, it will automatically end the command. That is not end the command. Actually, it will stop the line. It will not continue the line. So it will start as a new line later. Okay. So once you want to make equivalent to this particular line, just move your cursor to the position so that it will automatically snap it from the top vertical line. So just leave there. Now let's try to trim it. So here use the scissor portion. This icon represents the trim. So click on the trim icon, select this portion, select this portion and select this portion. So now we have completed the outside portion of our object. Now we need 3 circles. Okay. So let's try to draw the circle. So here one circle is required. The circle diameter is given as 10. Then At the horizontal line, we are having another circle, and at the vertical line, we are having another circle. Now, if you want to make these three circles equal, let's apply the equal constraint for it. So the equal constraint will be over here. Just click on the equal constraint. Select the dimensioned circle first, then undimensioned circle. So it will make these two circles as 10 mm diameter. Similarly, click on this one and this one. So it becomes, or it makes all the circle as 10 mm diameter. Now let's try to provide the dimension between the center of the circle and the references. So here, this one should be referenced with the horizontal. So dimension from this center point to the horizontal line, it is 28. From the center to the horizontal line, it is 28. And from this vertical line to the center point, it is 28. So now we have completed our sketch by using Onshape. Click on the green tick mark to confirm it. Thanks for watching this video.